To install Python on your system, first, go to the official Python website at python.org. Once there, look for the Download section, which will automatically suggest the best version for your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Click on the Download link to get the installer file. After the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to run the installer. Make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path during the installation process. This makes it easier to run Python from the command line. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. Once installed, you can verify that Python is working by opening a command prompt or terminal and typing Python-version or Python 3-version for Mac OS and Linux. If you see the version number displayed, congratulations! Python is successfully installed on your system and you are ready to start coding.